Hello and welcome to this WordPress tutorial on media upload. So media uploading will allow you the ability to obviously add media such as photos, documents like Excel spreadsheets, PDFs, even other media types like video and audio onto your WordPress page pretty simplistically. Actually recently WordPress 3.5 just came out, and the option to add media into your pages or blog posts is a lot more intuitive. They've pretty much went under the hood and redesigned the whole thing from the ground up. So it's got a more aesthetically pleasing design, a lot more modern looking, to make life a lot easier, and a few new cool features as well. So if this tutorial is not showing what's on your end, it's pretty much the same protocol. Just with a lot better design and, like I said, a few added bonus features on there that you might not have if you have an old version of WordPress. So this applies to 3.5 and above. So anyways, to add any kind of media content onto your page, you're just going to obviously click in the editor window on the spot that you want to insert the media. So in this case, I got no content in here. I'm just clicking in the window and my cursor is flashing. I'm going to click this magic button here called Add Media, and you get this option here to basically what's called an upload well. And you can literally drag files into this well here, or you can alternatively click on the select files and do it the old-fashioned way. So I'm going to do the drag and drop, and I'm going to do photos. Here's my picture library. You may be familiar with these pictures if you're a Windows user, but I am just going to literally grab multiple pictures by highlighting the pictures I want. You can do as many multiple files as you want. You can do mixed media, which meaning I can do photos and PDFs at the same time, or whatever kind of mixture of media that you want. Or of course you can do single files. Doesn't matter. Or if you hold your Control button on your keyboard, you can shift click or control click, excuse me, to click around and pick the exact photos or types of media you want in them. So for this example, we're going to do a couple photos. I'm just going to highlight these two, the chrysanthemum plant and flower, and the desert photo. And I'm going to literally just drag it in there. Notice the whole thing turns blue. This is, again, a new feature. And once you do that, you're going to see that those photos are uploading one by one. You'll also notice that there's other photos in here, and these are just photos that I've uploaded over time that are already in my media library, which is what is now showing up, showing what you have available in your media library. So once that's finished uploading, you'll see them, of course, populate with their thumbnail. And you can click into the individual photo and change parameters right in this region here. The one I would just be concerned with would be title, which automatically gets populated by whatever the name of your image is. In this case, it just grabbed chrysanthemum. It didn't carry over the one for some reason, but it just carried it up. But usually, yeah, it's just going to carry over the image name. You can also add a caption, which appears below. Once you've inserted the photo, it's going to be, obviously below the picture in a little white box. Alt text is kind of an important thing for search engine optimization reasons. It basically gives your image, a description. So you want to describe what the picture is so that Google can read what is the keywords behind that particular image. Very useful. I wouldn't worry about description. I'd kind of skip over that. Then you've got the last options. You can align it according to the content, left, center, or right. You can opt to link it. By default, it'll be none, but you can link it to the media file. If it's in a photo, you can link it to the larger version of the media file. I wouldn't mess with attachment, but if you wanted to have the image linked to a custom web address, you can click on that and then enter the web address you want the image to link to. Very simple. We're going to just do none. And finally, you can pick the predefined sizes that are available. You can pick between thumbnail, medium, or full size. In this case, we'll just go ahead and just do medium. And you'll notice there's a check here and another check here. These are just the ones that are selected to be inserted. Should you decide, I don't want that desert photo in this particular page after all, you can hit the minus you decide, well, you know what, maybe I do, you just check it again, and you'll notice that if you check it, it'll deselect that one. Just shift. All you have to do is hit either shift or control on your keyboard, and it'll reselect it. If say you decide, oh, you know what, I want that koala over there, I'm holding control on my keyboard, check, check, check. You got 3 pictures about to go in, and of course, toggle between them to change the parameters here before you actually insert the photo. You'll notice here that there's these are the photos that are also selected. You can clear them or you can edit them, by removing them from where from what you're going to insert. Then return to the library to view them in this format. It's whatever you're most comfortable with. Once you're ready to go, you hit this magic insert into page option. Again, I didn't put any. Let me just switch these sizes here real quick so I don't explode the screen with their large full size width and height. And I'm just going to hit insert into page, and there you go. They're all there side by side. Should you decide to edit the photo further, very simplistic to do. You click on the image, you can delete it, or if you opt to edit it further, you can hit edit image. You go into a little bit of a different option area, and you can you actually resize it by percentage at that point, and you do the alignment options here and some of the other options you were seeing before. Advanced settings, I'll just say that it's there. You can do you can do some more if you want to kind of play with that. Should you get comfortable with this region first, what I would advise. And once you're done with the edit, you just hit update, and there it is, shrunken down. And that's pretty much it. Again, delete it if you want to. Just do that. Edit is the other option, just by clicking on it. And that concludes this WordPress tutorial on Medium. Well, thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.